What is the capital of France? The correct answer is Paris. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The correct answer is Japan. What is the largest country by area? The correct answer is Russia. Which country has the most population? The correct answer is China. What is the official language of Brazil? The correct answer is Portuguese. Which country is famous for tulips? The correct answer is Netherlands. Which African country was never colonized? The correct answer is Ethiopia. In which country is the ancient city of Petra located? The correct answer is Jordan. Which country is known for inventing pizza? The correct answer is Italy. What is the smallest country in the world? The correct answer is Vatican City. Which country is known for its maple syrup production? The correct answer is Canada. Which country is home to the Great Barrier Reef? The correct answer is Australia. What is the capital of Egypt? The correct answer is Cairo. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? The correct answer is France. What is the primary language spoken in Argentina? The correct answer is Spanish. In which country is the Serengeti National Park located? The correct answer is Tanzania. Which country is known for the Taj Mahal? The correct answer is India. What is the national currency of Japan? The correct answer is yen. Which country is known for the historic city of Machu Picchu? The correct answer is Peru. Which European country is known for its windmills? The correct answer is Netherlands.